Week 1, you're locked in. Meal prepped, macros tracked, gym bag ready before you even think about it. Week 2, you're still going. Scale dropping, discipline high. You're thinking this might actually be the time. Week 3, everything falls apart. Energy gone, scale frozen, motivation dead. 90% of men quit right here. Not because you're weak, not because fat loss doesn't work, but because no one told you what's about to happen. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly why week 3 hits like a wall and how to break straight through it. Here's the truth. This isn't a you problem. This is a pattern. Week 1, you're flying. Week 2, you're grinding. Week 3, everything stalls. The scale stops moving, your energy drops, and your brain starts talking. Maybe this doesn't work for me. Maybe my metabolism is broken. Maybe I'll restart Monday. And just like that, it's over. But once you see what's actually happening, you'll never fall for it again. Those first 2 weeks, you weren't losing fat, you were losing water. When you cut calories, especially carbs, your body burns glycogen, and glycogen holds water. So when glycogen drops, water drops with it, fast. 3, 4, even 5 pounds. And you think you're crushing fat loss, but you're not. You're draining a reservoir. Then week 3 hits. The water is gone. Now your body has no choice but to burn actual fat. And real fat loss is slow. So the scale stalls or barely moves, and your brain panics because it got used to fast results. Listen carefully. The stall means it's working. You didn't lose fat in week 1. You lost illusion weight. This is where most people quit right before it starts. Now here's what actually kills your progress. Mistake number 1, you start guessing your food. Week 1, you tracked everything. Week 3, you estimate. That 300-calorie meal, it's 500. You didn't stop dieting, you just stopped being accurate. Mistake number 2, you went too hard, too fast. Huge calorie cuts, daily workouts, no recovery. That's not discipline, that's burnout waiting to happen. You didn't fail the plan failed you. Mistake number 3, you compare the wrong numbers. 4 pounds in week 1, less than 1 pound in week 3. Looks like failure, it's not. That first drop was water, that smaller drop is real fat. You're comparing water loss to fat loss like they're the same thing. They're not even close. So how do you get through week 3? Not with more motivation, not with a new workout, not with supplements. You fix your expectations. Because when you expect the stall, you don't panic. And when you don't panic, you don't quit. You don't need more motivation. You need better interpretation. One more thing. Stop weighing yourself every day. Daily weigh-ins don't show progress. They show noise. Water, salt, sleep, stress, all of it shifts your weight daily. Pick 1 day per week. Same time, same conditions. That's your real data. Let's lock this in. Week 3 feels like a wall because the easy weight loss is gone and real fat loss has just begun. That's not failure, that's progress. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to not quit in week 3. Because the version of you that makes it to week 4 is not the same person who started. Most people quit here. You won't.